Hey travel enthusiasts, globetrotters, and weekend warriors. Ever been stuck at the airport, scrambling to exchange currency because you forgot to top up your travel card? Fear not, my fellow adventurers, because today we're diving deep into the wonderful world of YouTrip top-ups. The YouTrip advantage. Let's face it, traditional travel cards can be a pain. Hidden fees, lousy exchange rates, and the constant worry about running out of funds, it puts a damper on any trip. YouTrip, on the other hand, is a game changer. Think of it as your travel BFF, a multi-currency card that lets you spend like a local, anywhere in the world. But before you jet off on your next adventure, you gotta fuel that YouTrip card. So, buckle up as we explore the different ways to top up your YouTrip account and get you spending those travel dollars, or euros, yen, you name it, in no time. Top-up options, your power trio. YouTrip offers 3 convenient ways to top up your account, each catering to different needs and preferences. Let's break them down. 1. Pay now, instant and effortless. Are you a fan of instant gratification? Look no further than Pay Now. This Singaporean payment service lets you top up your YouTrip account directly from your bank app. It's as easy as sending money to a friend. Just scan the QR code within the YouTrip app, enter your top-up amount, and voila! Funds are reflected instantly in your YouTrip wallet. Perfect for those last-minute travel emergencies or when you need a quick currency boost. 2. Credit/debit card, the classic choice. For those comfortable with the familiar swipe, credit and debit cards are a great option. Simply head over to the YouTrip app, select the top-up function, choose your preferred card, and enter the amount. The funds will be transferred to your YouTrip account within 1 to 3 business days. Keep in mind that some banks might charge processing fees for using your card for top-ups, so check with them beforehand. 3. Overseas bank transfer, for the financially savvy. Planning a long trip and want to maximize your savings? Overseas bank transfers could be your answer. This method typically offers the most competitive exchange rates, but it comes with a slightly longer processing time, usually 1 to 3 business days. If you're organized and have some time before your trip, this could be a great way to save a few bucks on exchange fees. Top-up tips and tricks, be a YouTrip master. Now that you know the top-up methods, let's explore some pro tips to make the most of your YouTrip experience. Set up auto top-up, never get caught with a low balance again. YouTrip allows you to set up automatic top-ups from your linked bank account. Simply choose your preferred trigger amount, and YouTrip will automatically top up your account when it falls below that threshold. Exchange Rates Watchdog, YouTrip offers live exchange rates within the app. This allows you to monitor currency fluctuations and exchange your funds at the most optimal time. Promotions and referral bonuses. Keep an eye out for YouTrip's frequent promotions and referral bonuses. These can offer you free top-up credits or better exchange rates, helping you save even more on your travels. With these top-up options and expert tips in your arsenal, you're ready to conquer the world with your trusty YouTrip card. Remember, YouTrip is all about making your travels smoother and more enjoyable. So, ditch the currency exchange woes and focus on creating unforgettable memories. Call to action. Have you tried YouTrip yet? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel hacks and tips. Until next time, happy exploring.